الله وبركاته. نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. أما بعد. Respected directors, teachers, parents and my dear friends, I welcome all of you with the Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Yumna. I am studying in 2nd standard in Mahmood Islamic English Medium High School. Today my topic is Zamzam. Zamzam will provide water to pilgrims every year. When pilgrims now also run between the hills of Safa and Marwa as part of the steps of Hajj. They replicate the struggle of Hajj, an important figure in Islam, and also collect Zamzam to take home to loved ones. The miracle of Zamzam water. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, the best water on the face of the earth in the water of Zamzam. It is a kind of food and healing from sickness. It helps cure pains of hunger. Applying it on eyes improve eyes. It helps reduce acidity. It helpful preventing dental caries. It fulfills the wishes and vows of pilgrims. It fortifies the immune system of human body. The result of the present study indicated that Zamzam water and is alkaline mineral water unpolluted by heavy metals and is safe for consumption. Its mineral and metallic properties. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakallahu khaira.